guys, this is Tom from Tom's Tutorials here today, and guess what? I found this awesome website. It's called Typewriter, literally typewriter.com. It's literally amazing. There's live feed, like a live video of a typewriter, and you can type whatever you want literally in this box. Like you can, if you tweet at Typewriter, then it'll automatically patch whatever you're trying to write. It'll write it on the typewriter. So let's just do a demo right now. So let's just type in. There we go. Alright, let's just tweet that real quick. Tweet. Now let's check it out. Here we go. Look at that. That is amazing. Right there. I'm making a YouTube video about this. Amazing. See right there. That is awesome, guys. You need to try this thing out. Like, let me just go delete my tweets probably, but it says you can just, all you have to do is tweet at Typewriter, and the website is once again typewriter.com, or you can put the www before right there. And the guy, like, I even told him at one point, I'm like, hey random guy, can you wave please? Your website is amazing. And the guy actually gave me a thumbs up, which was awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much all about this website. Oh, it's kind of rainy outside right now where I am. But I mean, yeah, and I just wanted to thank you guys for being awesome and giving me all those subscribes and likes and supporting me all the way through this. You guys are amazing. And that concludes this video, guys. Peace out.